A looming deadline for people struggling to pay the bills. The CDC's ban on evictions expires in just days. Tonight, Orange County says it has millions of dollars in emergency rental assistance available, and it wants nonprofits to help people who really need that money. News 6's Amanda Castro explains how this will help get results.
Time is ticking as the CDC's ban on evictions expires in 3 days, and Orange County leaders want to help residents who are struggling to make ends meet.
Because our goal is to reach every person in Orange County who's had a COVID impact and needs assistance due to that with their rent.
The county teaming up with nearly 100 nonprofit agencies on Wednesday, hosting an online course to take them step by step through the county's emergency rental assistance program. Leaders say the organizations play a key role in connecting with people who may need help.
If it's getting the word out, if it's making a computer available, if it's answering a question, anything, we just want to provide as much information, make sure we've done every effort we can to reach everyone and make sure that anyone that needs assistance and qualifies knows about the program.
The county got $33 million of federal funds to assist eligible residents. So far, nearly 1,000 applicants have been approved. The funds can cover payments up to 12 months or $20,000 of past due rent.
The application has been completed.
Participants learned who qualifies and how to apply for rental assistance, even getting the chance to ask questions, including how long it takes to get approval.
It not only depends on how many applications we receive and how quickly my staff review it, it depends on how quickly the tenant responds with the requested information, how quickly the landlord responds.
The county hoping this will get results for residents in need.
Our goal is to try to reach out to as many people as we possibly can.
In Orange County, Amanda Castro, getting results, News 6.